Hello guys, welcome to the video. In today's video, I'll be solving a jigsaw puzzle. This jigsaw puzzle is an image of the once US President Barack Obama. This jigsaw puzzle contains 100 pieces. Now let's start solving. Barack Obama was the 44th President of the United States. He was born on August 4th, 1961 in Honolulu, Hawaii. Barack means one who is blessed in Swahili. From age 6 to 10, Barack Obama lived in Indonesia. His mom took care of him by herself. His late father was a senior economist for the Kenyan government. Obama worked in a Baskin-Robbins ice cream shop as a teenager and doesn't like ice cream anymore. He has read every single Harry Potter book. His favorite meal is wife Michelle's shrimp linguini. He used an Apple Mac laptop. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!